Hey guys, welcome back to Bifa Tech Solution. On this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use this multimeter that you are seeing now to repair any phone that is not turning on. So this is my digital multimeter. So I'm going to show you how you can use it for repairing any phone. So on this very phone, the phone is dead. So the customer brought it to us. The phone is overheating, so and it's not on it anymore. So we want to trace the problem on this particular phone. So just stay tuned guys, follow us as we take you through this tutorial. So these are the different symbols on this multimeter. So they have their different functions, but this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the flow current, which is direct current, to show you that the current is flow. So when you on it, you see one like this showing on your screen, the display screen on your multimeter. Now we have the positive and the negative. So when you join this positive and negative together, there'll be a sound that will pimp out from your multimeter. Yes, to show you that the current is flow, is direct, there's no breakage, and that is what that side is. So you see it. Join that together, you hear a sound ping from it. So that's what we're going to use in this tutorial to trace the capacitor or the resistor that is having issue. So just follow through as I take you through this tutorial step by step. You can see the symbol. Yes, so that symbol, yes, that's what we are using on your multimeter. And most cases, when you use it, you usually show red light when it's a direct current. Now let's test. For us to do the testing, just put your negative on any of those iron at the back of the phone, because those are the negative. So just fit it them. Now you use the battery connector. Now let's try the first one. You see it's reading. First one is reading. Now the second one is reading as well. Now the third one is reading as well. So it shows that there is current flowing into this phone. There's current going into this phone. There's no breakage anywhere. Now let's try the positive and the negative. You see, it's still flowing. You see, my technician is still flowing. See, good. So it shows that this phone is still receiving current. You see, it's still receiving current. So there's no problem with the power flow going to this phone. So it shows that the problem to this particular phone is from the panel itself. So now we are using multimeter now to trace this panel to find out the problem that's inside this panel. So that's what we want to do now, using multimeter to trace the IC, that is the capacitor or the resistor that is bad. So just follow guys. If you have not subscribed to this video, please do well to hit on the subscribe button. So most time capacitor might be the problem that can make a phone not to turn on. So you just have to use multimeter to trace which of the capacitor that is not working. You see it? So that's what we want to do right now. So put it on your flow current that shows that the current is flow. Let's see if there's a breakage of if there's a short in any of the capacitor. So you see what I'm doing? So put the positive or the any of the plane, the iron, that iron at the back, any of them. So just put your multimeter, your positive there. Then use the negative one to touch each of the capacitor that you want to trace to check. You see, that capacitor is working. You see, it's reading fine. It's reading fine. See, good. So there are 4 capacitors we want to check on this phone. You see, and we're coming down to this other one here. So let's check. See, it's reading. You see, good. So that capacitor is okay. You see, it's still reading fine. It's still okay. It's still okay. See, you can see the capacitor is working fine. You see, it's working. You see, that is just it. It's working. Remember to fix your connector, your wires them very well so that it can have a good connection. See? See? So that capacitor is dropping. It's dropping. It will read higher and will drop. So it's dropping. So that capacitor. So I will have to replace that capacitor. Okay, so let's check others. Good. So that capacitor, that one that is dropping, see it. So we have to replace that capacitor. Yes, we have to replace it. So the multimeter helps us to see that there's a short there. So it's dropping, so we have to replace it. So we see that is just a problem right now, and that's very fun. So this is how you do the tracing of your multimeter. You see, use your multimeter to check what could be the problem of this particular phone that is not on. So it could be the capacitor or it could be the resistor. So that is just it, guys. So this is just a part one for beginners. So I'm going to show you how to use the other symbols on this phone, on this multimeter, so you can get your work done.